Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Valorant unable to invite. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing that you have to consider here is if there are any ongoing updates or server maintenance currently for Valorant. So if they are currently encountering problems, or if you're having issues on inviting friends to your games, then you just need to wait for Riot to actually fix their problem. So most of the time they notify their community through your accounts. They'll notify you if there's ongoing issues or any updates ongoing. So you just need to wait for those updates to finish. But if that's not the case and you are unable to invite your friends still into your games, then the first thing you have to consider here is if the account that you're actually inviting is actually in the same region. So in this case, we have different regions for Valorant. So instead of Valorant, this is for Riot accounts. So we have Asia Pacific, Europe, Korea, Brazil, Latin America, as well as North America. So right now, these are the servers that we have right now for Riot. So if your friend is in a different region, then most probably you'll be able to invite them. So if you really want to invite your friend into your games, or if you really want to play with that friend, then I would suggest you to either transfer your account to that specific region or create another account using that specific region in mind. So if you want to transfer your account to another region, you could go ahead and go to support-valorant.riotgames.com, and from here you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says submit a ticket. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to submit a request to actually transfer our account. So in this case, we want to choose the section or the option that says account management and data requests or deletion. Now from here, it's going to reload our website here. So in this case, let's just log in real quickly. Now in here, it's going to ask you for the subject, which in this case, we want to transfer our account to another region. So here we have a description, please select your inquiry here. So in this case, we want to use account management. And from here, you have the login name as well as the inquiry as well. And in here, if you want to add attachment, you could go ahead. But yeah, you just need to fill out this request here, and from there, just click on submit, and you just need to wait for Valorant support's actual reply to your request, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.